Hi friends, this is session 7. In this session, I shall discuss about the career prospect in inspection department. Let me brief about the role of an inspection manager in project management team. Inspection plays an important and vital role to achieve quality concept. Inspection, in other words, called as quality assurance and quality control, in short QA/QC, since it is necessary to assure confidence to the owner and the satisfaction to the customer or client as well. Inspection is an indispensable tool of project management. It helps to control quality, reduces project costs, eliminate losses, and assignable causes of defective work. The subjective of inspection is to detect and to remove the faulty products prior to it undergoes production, to detect the faulty products in production as soon as it is detected, to bring the facts to the concerned managers or authorities prior to become serious issues, to enable them discover weakness and over the problem, to prevent the substandard materials or products before used during construction stage, and to reduce complaints. Lastly, to promote reputation for quality and reliability of the project under construction. An inspection manager reports directly to the project manager and the construction managers. An inspection manager should have basic engineering degree and certified by minimum ASNT level 2 or ASNT level 3. An inspection plays also a key role in project control. So a career in inspection also have bright future with attractive packages and remuneration. In the next session, I shall discuss about the prospect of career in human safety and environment, in short HSE management. If you like this session, please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you to be with me all along the session.